So here's a dusty one. Got to clean that up, but I just want to show you this quickly. This one has He-Man, has a bunch of different stuff on it. This is a mirror finished one. If you're looking for a showpiece, mirror finish is kind of the way to go. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at this one. I'll show you some other ones here in a second. So I'll show you a couple different options here as well. So for example, this is what's called a diamond pattern. This in the Bentley is a spiral pattern.
And it's been done.
This is a crosshatch pattern. So those are some options for your brick. And then here's another example of a mirror finish with a design. Obviously that's Gucci. I'll give you more of a close-up of the crosshatch. Here's another He-Man that's, this is called a machine finish. And then inside here is a crosshatch pattern, gives it just a real nice texture. We have really infinite variables. Another thing, you said you want yours to hold 50,000. I should have put gloves on before I did this, but here we go. Let's see if it's bolted together. It is. Here we go. So this one's a 75K, but I just want to show you the difference. So some styles, the top and the bottom each hold cash. You stack the money too high in the bottom, and then you put this down on it and you bolt it together. Another style is like this. These two also hold 50K, but the base holds all the money. Let me see if either one of these is unlocked. Yes. So the base holds all the cash. We can also do a credit card slot, or you can use that slot for an extra ID or a gift card or something if you're giving this away. So really you need to pick the finish. The capacity, you said you already want 50,000. And then the style, we could do, this is called a 50K with a lid. The other one's just called a standard 50K. And we also have one more I'm gonna show you. Let me set that down. We have a 50K skinny brick. So these two both hold the same. This one is smaller. Let me pop the top off and show you. So they both hold the same amount of money. Just one's thinner than the other, and the bolts are in a little bit different spot. This is a skinny brick. This is a 50K with a lid. And then this style where it splits in the middle, that's just called a regular 50K. So let me know which one you like, and we'll be happy to make it for you, and then what finishes and whatnot. Here's another example of the diamond pattern versus the crosshatch pattern. And then of course this is just mirror finish, and then I showed you the machined already. So let me know what you like best. I'll be happy to make your brick for you. Here's a couple more.